You're about to see how this small space turns into something more organized and easier to live in. So every decision matters, from where you sit, where you store your things, to how each area is used, because good planning changes how your space works every day. In this transformation, you'll see how this home is redesigned step by step into a modern contemporary style, with a more structured living area and a better organized bedroom, plus ideas you can apply to your own space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This is a situation a lot of homeowners can relate to. There's no clear focal point. The furniture feels disconnected and the layout lacks direction, so the space ends up looking scattered. What you need to do is start by creating a clear focal point and organizing the furniture into a proper seating layout. Start with your base finishes. Use a light warm gray wall color so your backdrop stays calm and consistent with the rest of the space. For your flooring, use a light beige carpet finish so the room feels softer, quieter, and more comfortable underfoot. Keep your ceiling simple with a smooth white finish and evenly spaced recessed downlights so your lighting stays clean and balanced without visual clutter. Now define your main seating. Place an L-shaped sectional sofa against the wall so you maximize seating while keeping the center area open. Layer your sofa with mixed throw pillows so you introduce depth while staying within a neutral palette. Right in front of the sofa, use a set of nested round coffee tables so you add contrast without making the space feel heavy. Style the tables with a small ceramic vase, greenery, and stacked books so it feels curated but still minimal. Install 3 evenly spaced framed abstract artworks so you create a clean and balanced focal point. Use sheer white with blackout curtains in warm neutral palette so you control light while keeping the space soft and airy. Now move to your TV wall. Create a full built-in feature wall with a wood laminate frame and a recessed center panel so your flat-screen TV sits flush and visually integrated. Below, install a long, low console cabinet in a matte dark gray finish so you keep storage clean and uninterrupted. You can style it with your gaming essentials and a few minimal accessories so the setup feels lived in but still organized. On the right side, include open vertical shelving with integrated LED lighting so you can display decor pieces like books, vases, and small sculptures. You can add another warm LED strip lighting along the top and bottom of the recessed panel, so you create a soft ambient glow that highlights the feature wall. On the left side of the TV wall, you can add vertical fluted wall panel so you subtly divide the space while keeping the design consistent. Because of this setup, your living area feels structured, warm, and visually balanced, while still staying open and easy to move around. With an estimated total cost of $1,850 to $2,235. Instead of treating your dining area as an afterthought, you can turn it into a warm, well-defined zone that visually connects with your living space. Start with your dining set. Use a rectangular wooden dining table with softly rounded corners, so it feels safer and more inviting in a compact layout. Pair it with 4 dining chairs featuring curved wooden backrests and slim legs so the design feels light and modern. You can place a simple ceramic vase with fresh greenery and a fresh fruit display at the center of the table so the setup feels fresh, natural, and relaxed. Install a built-in sideboard with a smooth light beige finish and handleless cabinet doors, so storage stays clean and minimal. Above it, create a full-height open shelving feature with a vertical wood slat back panel so you add texture and depth. Add warm LED strip lighting on each shelf so it glows and stands out at night. Style the shelves with a mix of books and minimal ceramics so it feels curated but not overcrowded. On the countertop, you can place a compact coffee machine with a couple of cups, so the area becomes both functional and lifestyle-driven. Add a small decorative bowl and ceramic vase with greenery beside it so the composition feels complete. To soften the right side, place a tall indoor plant in a simple white pot so you introduce height and a natural element. Because of this setup, your dining area feels intentional, functional, and visually integrated with the rest of your home without needing extra space. With an estimated total cost of $1,525 to $1,945. Instead of a simple sleeping area, you can turn this into a hotel-like bedroom that feels organized and relaxing, but still practical for everyday use. That's why everything here is planned to look seamless. For the ceiling, keep it smooth white with evenly spaced recessed downlights. So the lighting feels consistent across the room and connects visually with the rest of the space. Then, instead of leaving the wall empty, introduce vertical arched panels with integrated LED strip lighting and a soft marble-like finish, so you create a soft glow and a strong focal point, but without adding bulky decor. Next, use a low-profile platform bed, so the layout stays visually grounded, but also keeps the room feeling more open. Pair it with beige and off-white bedding and layer multiple pillows with a textured throw, so you add variation, but still keep the palette controlled and easy on the eyes. Moving on to storage, install a full-height built-in wardrobe in warm wood, paired with black-framed glass doors, so it looks modern, but still lightweight visually instead of bulky. Inside, combine hanging sections, open shelves, and lower drawers, so everything has a place, but you still keep quick access for daily use. On the corner, use it as an open vertical shelving so you can display decor pieces, but also break the solid cabinetry to avoid that heavy wall feel. Then extend the lower shelf into a floating nightstand so you create desk without eating up floor space, which is important in a compact room like this. And across the bed, mount your TV above a floating wooden console so you save space, but still keep everything accessible and aligned with the viewing height. Style it with a small plant and minimal decor so it feels finished but not overcrowded. Now for the window side. Use a roller blind so you control natural light but still keep that clean, modern look without heavy curtains. Place a soft beanbag chair near the window so you create a relaxed lounge spot, but without taking up too much space. Add a low cabinet with fluted detailing so you introduce texture but also gain extra storage. Style it with a table lamp, books, and a small sculptural piece so the corner feels intentional and styled. And here's where you insert your wall art. Mount a neutral-toned abstract artwork above the cabinet so you add visual interest, but still keep the overall look consistent with the color palette. Because of this setup, your bedroom feels organized, elevated, and easy to use every day, but also maximizes every inch of your space, bringing your estimated total cost to around $955 to $1,635. When your living area supports how you relax, your workspace keeps you productive, and your kitchen and dining work together smoothly, your space starts to feel complete. You're not just adding furniture, you're choosing pieces with purpose, organizing the layout for better movement, and using finishes that tie everything together so each area connects naturally. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.